The Royal Air Force is reported to be very pleased with the Airacobra, the American fighter. Unusual features are that its engine is amidships, the air screw being shaft-driven, which should add greatly to its maneuverability. It has a tricycle undercarriage for easier landing at speed. And it has a door for the pilot to enter by, so he doesn't have to climb in. Though the armament of a fighter can be varied, of course, America fits the Airacobra with a 37mm cannon firing through the propeller boss, as well as a number of machine guns. As for speed, well, they're definitely fast. And as the RAF likes the Airacobra, there's not much more we need know about it.